Service vehicle warning on in a LDV T60. This is a 2018-2019 model. I'm going to show you the steps you need to do to manually reset that now. Okay, so the two buttons you're going to be using is this one on the left hand stalk, and then you're going to be using set on the right hand stalk. So first you'll use this button here to flick through and get to the service amount remaining or service vehicle. When you get to that, you'll then be pressing on the set button 5 to 10 times quickly, I think. And there we go. So you have remaining distance to service 15,000 Ks, and I think that's it. Let me see. Ignition off. I've just turned the ignition off, turn it back on again. Start the vehicle. And as you can see, the warning is now gone off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.